You know what? I absolutely cannot wait to go to Japan.
And what's crazy is Larry didn't really care about going to Japan.
I thought it would
a couple
be
of hours
interesting,
ago.
yeah, but
He was kind of ambivalent about it.
Blown away.
But you know what? Larry and I just did a class where I am basically showing Larry why he needs to go to Tokyo. It's part of a series of classes that I've done. It's called A Photographer's Guide to Tokyo. There's so much to do. There's so much to see. It's such a photogenic place. And that's what we talked about in this class. I show you exact locations, where to go. I give you the address. I show you sample pictures. I give you tips. I talk about all those things that you would want to know. If a friend said, you're going to Tokyo, here's where you got to go. I got it all in here. It is packed. You're going to love it. Come with me on this journey. It's Photographer's Guide to Tokyo, and it's exclusively here at kelby1.com.